If Chrome is showing a no internet connection error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This problem can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary network issue, a bad browser cache, an extension conflict, proxy settings, or even a DNS problem on your computer. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, before changing anything in Chrome, we need to check whether the problem is actually your internet connection or just the browser. Start with the basics. Power cycle your router and modem. Unplug both devices from the power source, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, and then plug them back in. This gives your network a fresh restart and can clear out temporary connection problems. Once they come back online, give them a minute to fully reconnect, then try Chrome again. Next, test other apps or another browser on the same device. Open a different browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, or try a network app that needs internet access. If those apps also fail to connect, then the issue is probably not Chrome at all. It could be your ISP, your Wi-Fi signal, or a local network problem. But if other browsers work and only Chrome is showing the error, then the problem is likely inside Chrome itself, and that's what we'll fix next. Now let's move to Chrome-specific fixes. A great quick test is Incognito Mode. Open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows, or use the menu and choose New Incognito window. If the website loads in Incognito Mode, that usually means one of your extensions is causing the issue. Extensions can interfere with network requests, block scripts, or break page loading. In that case, you may need to disable your extensions one by one until you find the problem. If Incognito doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. This is one of the most common solutions for browser connection errors. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will open. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then change the time range to all time so everything gets cleared. After that, click Delete Data. Once it finishes, close Chrome completely and open it again. Then try loading the website one more time. If the issue is still there, it's time to reset Chrome settings. Sometimes a browser setting gets changed without you realizing it, and that can cause connection problems. In Chrome, go to Settings, then scroll down to Reset and Clean Up, and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. When prompted, click Reset Settings. This will restore Chrome's key settings without deleting your bookmarks and saved passwords, and it can fix problems caused by misconfigured browser options. Now let's go one step further with advanced network troubleshooting. If Chrome still refuses to connect, check for proxy settings on your system. On Windows, use the search bar and type proxy settings, or open Internet Properties and go to LAN settings. Make sure use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked unless you specifically need it for work or school. A wrong proxy setting can block Chrome from reaching the internet even when your network is otherwise working. Finally, we're going to flush your DNS cache. DNS stores address information for websites, and if that data becomes outdated or corrupted, Chrome may fail to connect properly. Click the Windows search bar, type CMD, then open Command Prompt. In the window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, restart Chrome and try visiting your site again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. Start with the router restart and browser check, then move through Incognito Mode, cache clearing, reset settings, proxy checks, and DNS flush. That sequence gives you the best chance of solving the error quickly without guessing. If this tutorial helped you fix Chrome's no internet connection error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.